Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 2. Our today's topic is descending order part 2. My dear students, topic is descending order part 2. Okay, it's our lecture number is 12 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 9. Okay, now let's start our class. Topic is descending order and the question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. That means the 5 numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers are given. We need to arrange this number in descending order. My dear students, descending order means we need to arrange this number from greater to smaller. That means from bigger to smaller we should arrange this number. First of all, look, we know the 10 digit, right? From 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 we know that 10 digits are there. So between this 10 digit, among this 10 digit, 9 is the greatest digit here. That means 9 is the greatest number we can say. And immediate smallest digit of 9 is 8. That means between 8 and 9, 9 is the greatest number. You know that already. And between 7 and 8, that means the immediate smallest number of 8 is 7. That means 8 is greater than 7. Like this, 7 is greater than 6, 6 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 4, 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1, and 1 is greater than 0. My dear students, this is the sequence of descending order. That means 9 is the greatest digit and 0 is the smallest digit. Okay, I think you have understood, my dear students. That means if we consider any two digit, that means 7, suppose we are considering 7 and 4, which digit is greater? Yes, 7 is the greater than 4. Okay, like this we should consider. Okay, this is our descending order. Now we wish to solution of this question. Okay, write down the solution of this. First of all, the required, we should write down the required descending order is, the required descending order is equals to, now we should arrange these 5 numbers. Okay, first of all we should identify the place value of all of that numbers. Okay, this is 500. 1 is in 0 is in 1's place, this 0 is in 10's place, and 5 is in 100 place. Okay, like this, 7 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100's place, and my dear students, 4 is in 1000's place. Okay, and this is also 8 is in 1's place, 7 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100's place, 6 is in 100's place, and 3 is in 1000's place. Okay, like this 3 zeros, 0 is in 1's place, 0 is in 10's place, 0 is in 100 place, and this 2 is in 1000's place. Okay, this is 2000. Now this 6 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100 place, and this 1 is in 1000's place. This is 1346. Now my dear students, we should arrange these at the highest place values position. Okay, because we need to arrange the number from bigger to smaller. Which one is the bigger number? Which greatest place value is bigger? That must be our biggest number. That means look, here we have 500. 5 is in 100 position. This is the smallest number here in between these 5 numbers, because all the number has the highest value of place values position is 1000. 1 is 1000's place, 2 is 1000's place, 3 is 1000's place, 4 is 1000's place. That means all the number is bigger than 500. So 500 is the smallest number. We should write down it at later. Okay, at last. Now between these 4 number, look, all of the number has the highest place values. Value is 1000. Okay, between these 4, look my dear student, we have 4 is in 1000's place, we have 3 is in 1000's place, we have 2 is in 1000's place, and we have 1 is in 1000's place. Between these 4, look, 4 is the biggest number. That means 4 is the biggest number here. We should write down 4367 at first, because of 4 is the biggest number, and so that 4367 67 is the biggest number between these 5. In among 5 number, this is the biggest number. Our next biggest number should be what? Look, my dear students, already this is done, right? Now we have 3 number which has the thousands place value. Now my dear students, between these 3 we have 3 is in thousands place, 2 is in thousands place, and 1 is in thousands place. So our next biggest number should be this one, because 3 is bigger among these 3. Okay, so 3678 will be our next biggest number. Okay, now this is also done. Now only 2 number has the highest place values position thousands. Okay, between these 2 we have 2 is in thousands place, we have 1 is in thousands place. That means 2000, this number will be bigger than this one. Okay, so 2000 will be our next biggest number. Now this one is also done. Now only this number is remaining with the place value of 1000, so we can write it down. The next biggest number is 1346. Okay, this is also done. Now my dear students, only one number is remaining here, it's 500. This 500 has no place value of thousands place, that is why this is the smallest number, and so we should write down it at last. Okay, so 500 will be our smallest number, so I write down 500 at the last place in descending order. My dear students, this is our descending order. First of all, it's 4367, next number is 3678, the next one is 2000, after that the fourth place is 1346, and the last number is 500. I think, my dear students, you have understood how to arrange the descending order number. Okay, now my dear students, you have a homework. Your homework number is 9. Please, my dear students, you should mention the homework number. Okay, and after that you should write down the question also. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. After that you should pick up these 5 numbers. Okay, then like my solution, you should write down answer, or you can write down the solution. Then you can write down the required descending order is, then you can arrange the number in descending order. I think you have understood, my dear students. So keep practicing more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.